Hello folks, here we go. We talk about the null function, null2 function, null if function and co-LLS. Let's consider if we have a query such as select first name, last name, salary, commission, PCT from employee table. The commission, some of the employee they have the commission PCT, some of the employee they don't have commission PCT. So this one, so sometimes commission PCT is null, sometimes is some value. This one caused some type of error for us. Let me put this one right here so you can see it better. And if we execute this one, you're going to see some of these people, some of the employee, they don't have commission field is null. Sometime some other time they have commission. The problem raised right here when you have an employee that he has an employee and has a commission, and you can add employee plus salary plus commission salary. Employee Abel, he has his salary, he has a commission, you adding commission plus salary, or salary plus the commission multiplied by $10 per point, or this sort of thing. When you try to add it, the problem raised right here that you have salary but you don't have commission. Let's look at this example. We would like the first example, let's consider we would like to put, if the employee does not have any commission, put it no commission. If we try to do that example, then we have to go look at this example right here. First, because the commission is number, we have to consider it is a number and we have to convert it to a string, so we can ask him to replace it with no commission. That's the reason the commission PCT right here, we convert it to character first. So in case if it is null, replace it with the string no commission PCT. So if we're running this example right here, in the body, let's consider activate the body. See right here, majority of the employee, they don't have any commission PCT, and he put a commission. If I don't use the word chart, then it's going to be number, and I try to replace a number, commission PCT, which is a number. I try to replace it with the string and give me error. So that's the reason I'm going to use char function to convert this one to a string, and if this content is null, replace this one with no commission. Here's another example right here. Let's look at right here. We selecting the salary plus NVL commission. If commission is null, replace it with 0. Don't increase the salary. Correct. If the salary is salary and plus commission PCT, but sometimes some of the employee does not get any commission. Let's look at this example too. If I running this example in body, you're going to see some of the employees salary plus commission, which is 15, then it's going to be a commission plus salary. This employee has a salary right here, no correct salary. So right here come up with the commission PCT, this one doesn't, not commission with PCT. I know this employee has a salary, but no commission PCT because it is null. It's going to return null for for the content of the column. The next option is null NVL2. NVL2, in contrast to NVL, NVL has two arguments, expression 1, expression 2. NVL2 has three expressions or three arguments. These three arguments, the first one, if the expression 1 is not null, NVL2 return expression 2. So if this is not null, return this one. If this expression is null, return the other one, expression 3. That's the description that I put it right here. If expression 1 is not null, return expression 2. If the expression 1 is null, return the expression 3. And here is a good example of that sort of a script, SQL script. So if I'm going to run this example, you're going to see that if it is let me go ahead, refresh my mind. Let me bring the query right here so you can see that one. So right here, if the commission PCT, which is right here, the income, if the commission PCT is null, return this one. If it is null, return the salary, return the third one. So you're going to return the commission. So some right here, some employee, that right here you're going to see that employee 2500 doesn't have any commission. This one has a commission, then he added the commission plus salary together. So let me go ahead, refresh myself so I won't tell you the truth. The right here, let me move it, this one a little bit up. We said, okay, my pages goes lost. Let me bring this one a little bit down so I can speak of my mind. We said, if the expression 1 is, rule is this one. If the expression 1 is null, if this one, the commission PCT is null, then return the second option, salary plus commission. If it is, this one is not null, return the salary. If it is not null, return the salary. If it is null, return the expression plus PCT. That's the second option. The next example is null if. Null if, again, it has two arguments like NVL. It has expression 1, expression 2. If the expression 1 equal expression 2, return null. So if this one is equal to this one, return null. If this one not equal to this one, return the first expression, whatever is the first one. Let's run this example. In this example, we're going to say select first name. The links of the first name, we name it expression 1. And last name, the links of expression 2, we call it expression 2. The links of the last name. So comparing links of the first name plus links of the last name. So return return expression 2. Null if first name, return expression result. So let's go ahead and calculate this example. So again, if we're looking the expression 1, null if 2, we use right here null if 2. And right here, let me put this one in a better format. Here you go. Links of the first name and links of the last name. The links of the first name we consider first expression, which is this one. Links of the last name, we call it the second expression, which is this one. Let me bring this one, the last name, to a new column so you won't get confused. So we have links of the first name and links of the last name. If they are equal, return null. If they are different, return the first one. So let's go look at the result. Let me having a tiny window so it won't cover up PuTTY. Let me resize the PuTTY so we're going to see the expression. So if the expression 1 equal to expression 2, return null. So this is 3, this is 3, it return null. This is 7, this is 7, return null. This is 7, this is 5, return the first one, 7. This is the third example, and finally coalesce. The coalesce has n argument. If the first one is null, return the second one. If second one is null, return the third one, and so forth. If all of them null, return null. If one of them is not null, find out the item which is in the list and not null, return that one. For this one, I use this example. This example, you're going to see the commission PCT. You already know by this video's example that we did. Commission PCT a lot of time is null. So it normally return the salary. But if the salary is null, return 10. All the employee they have salary. Let me see, can I create an employee without salary? Okay, I ran a query and set the salary of Mr. Gettys. Set his salary to null. With this example, update employee, set the salary of to null, where this is the example. It should be equal sign right here. Salary to null right here. Salary to null where last name is Gettys. Now, if I run in this commission PCT, the last employee should returning 10. What is not last? Mr. Gettys should getting null. Let's clear this. Let me see why. This is the update we did it. Now we're replacing this one. See, the last one returned 10. This is the only employee that we set the salary to 10 and it returned 10. So this one commission was null, replaced with the salary. This one is the commission salary also was null, returned 10. So let me put it a new column right here, salary, and you're going to see the salary of this employee right now is null. If I put right here the salary, you're going to see the salary also is null. So it returned the third argument. See the salary right here, null, return the salary, return the 10. Thank you. Let me have this page right here so you have it clearly.